So hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Here is the next video of my Suzuki GT250. As I told you in the previously movie, I want to renovate this bike. First what I did, I washed the bike. I'm not totally finished, but I think it is now totally different bike. It looks really amazing. Look at this, everything after the wash, after I wash it, it looks, I think, in good condition. What I need to do, I need to focus a little bit more on the metal parts, on the chrome parts. So I'm going to buy now some equipment to wash it and to clean it. But I think the first wash was successful. I'm really happy with that. Because you can compare it with the first video, the bike looks completely different. All bike was dirt of some liquid, some oil and paints. You can see it also here. I'm not totally finished, but the wheel was also dirty of some oil, so you can see that you can remove it. You just need some time, but if you do it, I think the condition of the wheel is also okay. So next step, we will continue on with the metal parts. Then I will try to replace the plastic parts, because some of the lights has broken parts, and then we will continue with the renovation. Where I was not successful is here, the tank, because you can see, I think I cannot save this. Here is the hole, and I think we need to replace it, because look, it is also so, the whole tank, full tank, is so soft. So probably I need to find new one, but otherwise I'm really happy how the bikes look after the cleaning. Yeah, it looks really good. If you look also on the cylinder, I think it looks really good. The bike was 35-40 years somewhere in the garage, nobody cared about this, but let's bring the bike again in perfect condition. Look at the front light, like a new one. It is like a new one. Here I need to replace probably, but it will be next step. Yeah, the brake also is not working now, but I think it will be not complicated. Biggest problem now after the washing, I see here for the tank. Otherwise, after first washing, really happy with the condition of the bike. Also the seat, really nice. So I'm going to the shop now, buy some liquids, something to clean it a little bit better, the chrome parts, and I will let you know how it looks after. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.